Hello guys, welcome back again on my new video. Today I'm going to pistachio latte cold. So I need fresh milk and sauce pistachio fusdo and one shot espresso. I like only one shot. It depends on your taste. If you like two shots, so you can include two shots. So, but I like only one shot. So let's start video.
Like a Hellcat.
So first add first pistachio. Mix well. Now make espresso single shot. Add ice, then milk again, it is a single shot espresso. It's ready to pistachio latte cold. So let's try to test. Mix. Wow, so delicious. So guys, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, and if you're new here on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Bye bye.